watching this video, you are probably wondering whether the Anthropic Claude Certified Architect exam is worth taking, and if so, how to actually prepare for it. I passed it recently and took about 3 weeks to prepare, so I want to give you the honest guide. This timeline might be different for everyone, but the approach still remains the same. If you are already using AI in your day-to-day, whether it is using it in your workflows, experimenting with agents, or integrating it in your products, this is a way to pressure test whether your fundamentals are solid. You might find some things that you have been doing right instinctively, or you'll most certainly find things that you have been glossing over. And if you are just starting with AI development, the 5 domains map out exactly what you need to learn in the right order with the right depth. Either way, the certification is great for credibility, but the real value is in what you're learning and building while preparing for it. So what is this exam? It's Anthropic's official certification for AI architects. It doesn't test whether you know the concepts and features. Every question puts you under a production scenario where something has broken and there are 2 or more approaches in front of you. You need to know which one actually holds up in production under pressure and why. This is a very different kind of thinking than just memorizing documentation. Here are the 5 domains and what you'll actually learn from each one. First is Claude Code, which teaches you how to use AI systematically in your development workflow. You'll learn how to configure it properly for a team, not just yourself, and how to integrate it into things like code review and CI/CD pipelines in a way that actually scales. Next is Tool Design and MCP, which teaches you how to think about connecting AI to real systems and data sources. You will develop an instinct for why some AI integrations work reliably and others don't. The third domain is Agentic Architecture, which is the most important one regardless of whether you are taking the exam. This is where you learn how to build AI systems that can take sequences of actions autonomously, handles failures gracefully, and enforce rules in a way that actually holds up in production. If you work with AI regularly, this domain will reshape how you think about system design. Next is Prompt Engineering, which teaches you how to get consistent and reliable output from AI at scale. You'll learn why vague instructions produce unpredictable results, how to structure your prompts so the model behaves the way you actually need it to, and how to extract structured data reliably from unstructured inputs. And finally, context and reliability. This is when you learn how to keep AI systems accurate over long sessions and across multiple sources of information. Things like how to manage what information the model has to access to and how to maintain trust in the output over time. 3 quick things to remember before I end this video. First is to build something for every concept you learn. I built a multi-agent stock analyst with 5 agents, security gates, and structured error handling. This one project taught me more than 1 week of reading. Second is to take the practice exam before you feel ready. Your wrong answers will tell you what areas to exactly focus on. And the third is to stick to what's exactly in scope. Fine-tuning, vector databases, and authentication are not in the exam, so focus on just the fundamentals for this. I have put together a full interactive study plan with everything that I covered today, and the link is below. If you found this useful, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.